Hello, my name is Reshma. I'm second BBA HRM student from AMC Group of Education Institution. I'm here at my campus. Let me show you my campus. As we all know, this is rainy season and most of us love rain. But what we do forget is to preserve the rainwater. But our college has made a setup to collect all the rainwater and preserve it.
Myself, Dr. Baiju K, Principal, AMC Group of Education Institutions, Marisiri. With great pleasure, I inform you, AMC Group of Education Institutions have an adequate system of water harvesting and refilling system from last few years onwards. Because of the nature of the geographical conditions, we faces some water problems in last few years. After the introduction of the system, we can overcome the problem to a certain extent. Thank you NSS for your initiativeness, and I acknowledge it for AMC Group of Education Institutions and its management. Thank you.
Have a word with our Vice Principal, ma'am.
Good morning, Reshma. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. I'm Nisha Shashikumar, Vice Principal of AMC Group of Education Institution. Today I'm very happy that I got an opportunity to say a few words about the rainwater harvesting procedures that is happening in our campus. Actually, we started the campus in the year 2004 and we are in a very lush green environment. The campus is there. But when we were purchasing the land, it was a barren land, and we, the team of AMC, worked together and we made it something greenish. That we have a very good greenish environment. And this NSS unit, which came just last year in the December, and these people and team has taken many new initiatives, especially in the area of rainwater harvesting. The first procedure they have done is they looked after the water consumption that is required in the college, and so they decided to store this rainwater. So they have taken the initiative, and the rainwater has been plumping. Plumping has been done, and the pipelines has been instituted from the rooftop. And this plumping and pipelines have been, borewell is there, and the water is going to that borewell, and there is a harvesting, and the cleaning procedures is also looking over there. And the team is also taking further initiative to have dig a very big pond, so that we have more consumption is needed in this particular area. So I think we will go many more steps towards that. Not only that, the rainwater, by bringing more and more trees in the campus. So we all know landslides and all, and trees protects the rain, store the rain, and it will help the campus make more greenish. And so thank you for the NSS unit for taking the initiative, and I think the campus one day will become environment and a pollution-free campus where we get a lot of plenty of oxygen, and water we all know is very precious, and we, the campus students and the staff, are very responsible to save every drop of water. Thank you for giving me this particular chance.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is the tank where we collect the rainwater, and from here it is being taken to a tube well. So this is our tube well, and from here we used to recharge the groundwater. So this is also a way through which we collect rainwater. The water collected in this pond is used to water the plants. So lastly, I would like to request all of you to do your little to save rainwater. You can start a setup like this in your college and help to save the environment. Thank you.